In the previous class, we learned that Sachin used to play cricket with his colony friends even at a very younger age. He was eager to imitate the mannerisms of Sunil Gavaskar and Viv Richards. And he came to know that Sharadashram Vidya Mandir gave priority to the game cricket among other games. There, the cricket coach was Ramakant Achrekar sir. Ajit, his elder brother, one day took him to the camp to get trained under Sir.
Sachin believed that the opportunity to join Achrekar sir's camp transformed the life of Sachin. Where was the camp? Yes, at the Shivaji Park.
Today we can move on to the third paragraph. The camp involved a session every morning and evening at Shivaji Park. I would practice between 7:30 am and 10:30 am in the morning. Then I would come back in the afternoon and practice till late evening. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Traveling to the Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from my house in Bandra and I had to catch an early bus to make it on time. But for the first few days, Ajit accompanied me to get me used to the routine. During the bus journeys, he would talk to me about the nuances of batting. And I always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, the one thing that I have kept with me all my career is a note that Ajit gave me containing some thoughts about batting. It served as a very personal coaching manual.
Achrekar sir's camp involving a session in the morning and
Evening at Shivaji Park, Sachin had to practice between 7:30 am and 10:30 am in the morning. Again, he had to come back in the afternoon and practice up to late evening. So the training was very rigorous and Sachin would be exhausted by the end of the day. Rigorous means severe or intense. The schedule was rigorous and I would be exhausted by the end of the day. Exhausted means tired. Traveling to Shivaji Park took 40 minutes from his house in Bandra and he had to catch an early bus to make it on time. Make it on time means reach there on time. For the first few days, who accompanied him? Yes, his elder brother Ajit accompanied him to get him used to the routine. Used to is an adjective. Here used to means familiar with or accustomed with.
while traveling in the bus, Ajit would talk to Sachin about the
nuances of batting a lot. Nuances means delicate difference or minute points in the cricket field. And he always enjoyed these conversations a lot. In fact, one thing that he have kept with him all his career is a note that Ajit gave him, containing some thoughts about batting. It served him as a very personal coaching manual.
What served Sachin as a very personal coaching manual? Yes, Sachin's brother Ajit once gave him a note containing some thoughts about batting. He kept it with him as it served him as a very personal coaching manual.
Then we can move on to the fifth paragraph. As a child, I had only one set of cricket clothes and the routine was to wash them as soon as I had returned from the morning session. While I had my lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and I would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that I could use the same set of clothes the following morning. The system worked well. Apart from my pockets, there was never quite enough time for the pockets to dry out completely. And for the entire duration of the camp, I played with wet pockets. By the middle of the summer camp, Sir had started taking an active interest in my batting and at the end of the 2 months, informed Ajit that I had the potential to be a good cricketer if I practiced all year round. However, my school, the New English School in Bandra, did not have cricket facilities and Sir was keen for me to change schools if I wanted to pursue cricket seriously.
In this paragraph, he is mentioning what routine he followed in washing his clothes. Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes, and the routine was to wash them as soon as he would return from the morning session. While he had his lunch, the clothes would dry out in the sun and he would wear them again in the afternoon. The pattern was repeated in the evening so that he could use the same set of clothes the following morning.
It was the system. However, the pockets were still wet. There was not enough time for the pockets to dry out completely.
Achrekar informed Ajit that Sachin had the potential to be a good cricketer if he practiced all year round.
Sir was keen to change schools. Why? Because the new English school in Bandra where Sachin was studying did not have the cricket facilities. Keen means eager or showing the willingness. If cricket was to be my priority, my father sat me down and explained that while he did not have any objections to my changing schools, I should do so only if I was really serious about playing cricket. I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir where Achrekar sir was the cricket coach. All my excess energies were getting channeled into cricket, which acted as a kind of safety valve. My father always said that all he wanted me to do was give it my best effort without worrying about the results.
Father said that he didn't have any objection to Sachin's school changing. However, Sachin should do that only if he was too serious about cricket. All Sachin's excess energies were getting channeled into cricket. It acted as a kind of safety valve. He could express his moods and talents freely because he loved cricket a lot.
I assured him I was, and so it was agreed that I should move to Sharadashram Vidya Mandir. Assured means promised. I promised father that my interest was cricket. In my first year at Sharadashram, I played 55 practice matches during the summer break of 60 days. My summer sessions used to start at 7:30 am and end at 4:30 pm. My evening session would start at 5 pm after only a 30-minute break. During the break, Sir would often give me some money to go and have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food.
What did Sachin do during the 30-minute break? Yes, during the 30-minute break, Sachin would often have a vada pav, a popular Mumbai fast food, with the money that Achrekar sir would give him.
In Sharadashram, he played 55 practice matches. Summer sessions start at 7:30 am and end at 4:30 pm. Evening sessions start at 5 pm. Between 5 pm and 7 pm, I would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, sir would place a 1 rupee coin on the top of the stump, and if I managed to avoid getting out, the coin was mine. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to me, with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant I had to hit every ball along the ground to survive those intense 15 minutes. Winning the 1 rupee coin used to give me immense satisfaction and taught me how to concentrate even when physically drained.
This paragraph, Sachin is mentioning about the intense 15 minutes. Between 5 pm and 7 pm, Sachin would have 5 more net sessions. Towards the last 15 minutes, Achrekar sir would place a 1 rupee coin on top of the stumps, and if Sachin managed to avoid getting out, the coin was his. In this session, every bowler in the camp would come and bowl to him, with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. It meant he had to hit every ball along the ground to survive and win the 1 rupee coin. This period was the intense 15 minutes. Next, he is mentioning what helped Sachin to build up physical and mental stamina. At the end of the practice, Sir would tell him to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Parks with his pads and gloves, apart from the training. That was the last part of his training. Then Sachin would be completely exhausted of the end of all. It helped him to build up physical and mental stamina. Completely exhausted means completely tired. It was a routine he would repeat right through his summer holidays, and it helped him to build up physical and mental stamina. Hope you understood. Then we can move on to the questions. Why did Sachin feel that the schedule of the camp was rigorous? Sachin had practice sessions every morning and evening at Shivaji Park, which was a 40-minute bus ride from his home. After practice, Sachin would be thoroughly exhausted, so he felt that the schedule of the camp was rigorous one. Next question. What served Sachin as a very personal coaching manual? Sachin's brother Ajit once gave him a note containing some thoughts about batting. He kept it with him as it served him as a very personal coaching manual. Next question. The system worked well apart from my pockets. What is the system referred to here by Sachin? Sachin had only one set of cricket clothes, so his routine was to wash and dry them after each session so that he would wear them for the next session. This routine is the system referred to by Sachin. Then move on to the 8th question. Why was Sachin asked to change his school? The new English school where Sachin studied did not have cricket facilities. His coach advised him to change his school if he wanted to take cricket seriously. What was the condition laid down by Sachin's father for changing his school? Only if Sachin was really serious about playing cricket, his father was ready to change his school. 10th question. What did Sachin consider as a kind of safety valve? All his excess energies were channeled into playing cricket, and Sachin considered this as a safety valve. How did the 1 rupee coin help Sachin to become a good batsman? How? In order to earn the 1 rupee coin kept by Ashrika on top of the stumps, Sachin had to avoid getting out and bat continuously with some 60 to 70 boys fielding. So he had to hit the ball along the ground. It taught him how to concentrate even when physically drained. It also gave him immense satisfaction. Next question. What helped Sachin to build up physical and mental stamina? After the thorough practice in cricket, Sachin had to run 2 full circuits of Shivaji Park with his pads and gloves on. This routine throughout the summer holidays helped him to build up his physical and mental stamina. Okay?